Welcome to the Jayachamrajendra Oday's centenary years compositions for that occasion. Mysore Maharaja, as I have already mentioned many times, has composed 94 Sanskrit kritis. No raga has been repeated. So far, in this centenary year, I have presented 34 of his compositions. Now, in that journey, I welcome all the highly cultured, esteemed YouTube viewers to this 35th kriti. That is in the raga Vagadishwari. Of course, this is the Melakarta of Melakarta raga, 34th Mela it comes, but the compositions are very less. One thing is one of the most important composition is Tyagaraja Swami has composed in his last days, one in the raga Manohari, Paritapama. The next one is the Paramatmudu in the Vagadishwari. That is for your kind information. As I know. Other than that, now the beautiful composition of Mysore Maharaja, Srimad Maharaja Jayachamrajendra Odaya has composed Vamadevam Bhavayeham in the raga Vagadishwari. In the Venkatamukhi school, which Muthuswami Dikshitar has followed, this raga is called as Bhoga Chaya Nata. Bhoga Chaya Nata. So, with this information, the 34th Mela Vagadishwari, Mysore Maharaja Jayachamrajendra Odaya has composed. The Pallavi Sahitya starts with Vamadevam itself. Vamadevam. Because Odaya, as I have already mentioned, has composed 15 kritis on Shiva. After Devi, the highest number is Shiva. 64 on Devi, 15 on Ishvara. So, in this Vamadeva, because he knows very well Shiva Advaita, and every day he offers Shiva Puja. While doing Shiva Puja, he recites the mantras like Vamadevaya Namo Nyeshtaya Namo Shreshthaya Namo Rudraya Namo Kalaya Namo Kalavikarnaya Namo Balaya Namo Balapramadhanaya Namo Manonmanaya Namo. Like that, Agore, 5 faces of Shiva, he will be offered with Abhisheka and all those things. That always, when one recites the mantra, that mantra naturally comes. That is what is mantra? Manana trayate iti mantra. What it comes in mind 24/7. That comes in the form of compositions. As a Shri Vidya Upasaka. And there is no difference between Shiva and Shakti. So, Shakti has composed 64. Out of that, in Deva 30 kriti, exclusively for Shiva 15 kritis. In that 15, now you will be listening Vamadevam Bhavayeham. That's the first Pallavi Sahitya, first line. Then, in the second line of Pallavi Sahitya, he mentions name of the raga. Very beautifully, meaningfully he has composed. Vagadishwari Nuta Padamboruham. See, Vagadishwari means Saraswati. Who is the head for all the 64 Vidya Saraswati. So, to hold her post Saraswati, every day she propitiates Shiva and Shakti. Vagadishwari Nuta Padamboruham. That is what he says. Another, in Mysore city, that too in Mysore palace, Navaratri is very famous. Dasara, Mysore Dasara. Those 9 days, Saraswati is propitiated for 3 days. Mahakali for 3 days, Mahalakshmi for 3 days. So naturally, all the mantras who Jachamrajendra while reciting, he remembers the inner meaning of every mantra. So, as a Sanskrit scholar, in these Sanskrit compositions, these words flow like Ganges. That is, Vamadevam Vavayeham Vagadishwarinata Padamboruham. Vagadishwarinata Padamboruham. This is the Pallavi Sahitya. Next comes Anupallavi Sahitya. Vamanka Gauri Shobhitam Vagattadi Pratipaditam. See, he has studied Kalidasa's Raghuvamsha very well. Vagartha Vivasamprukto Vagartha Pratipatte Jagata Pitaro Vande Parvati Parameshwaro. Those things. That is why Vamanka Gauri Shobhitam. Because his Shivatva, he emphasizes, because Shakti is in the left side of Shiva, Vamanka Gauri Shobhitam. That is why he could do Laya. That is what he meant. Vamanka Gauri Shobhitam Vagattadi Pratipaditam. For music and all those things. Both Sangeeta and Sahitya. Together it comes as a Shiv Shakti. Two sides of the same coin. So, bereft of Sangeeta, there is no Sahitya. There is no Sahitya. Like that, Vagattadi Pratipaditam immediately says, Samagana Sattam Sat Bhakta Sadabhishtadana Niratam Satatam. Shiva, immediately when Bhakta prays for him, he immediately gives boons. That is one of the Shiva's attribute. At the same time, immediately gets angry also. Then he does Laya. So, Shiva's mind is like that because he should be calm. In the left side, Gauri should be there. Vamanka Gauri Shobhitam Vagattadi Pratipaditam Samagana Sattam. Shiva is really very well. He is the embodiment of music. Tandava Nritya. So there is no Nritya without music. So Tandava, when Parvati is for Lasya, Shiva is for Tandava. So for that, Samagana Sattam also Sadbhatta Sadavishtadana Niratam Satatam. For his devotee, real devotee, he gives all the boons very, very, very leniently gives. There is no conjus. Because to give boons for his devotees, he says, I want my devotees. That is what Shiva says. So for them, Sadbhakta Sadavishtadana Niratam Satatam. This is the Anupallavi Sahitya. Next comes Charana. Kalatitam. See, time and tides waits for no man. So he is the Layakarta. Kalatitam. Another way, for the music, the Kala Pramana, the Gati, all those things are also most important. For that also, he holds that portfolio also. Kalatitam. Kala Pratipaditam. Kala. All the form of arts. Kala Pratipaditam. Kamari Riti Khyatam. Kripa Anvitam. Bala Subramanyadi Vinutam. In one Shanmuka Priya Raga, Jachamrajendra remembers Skanda or Shanmuka. Here, in this Shivakriti, he remembers exclusively Bala Subramanyadi. Bala Subramanyadi Vinutam. Bhubala Samudaya Samsevitam. Next, Bala Tripura Sundari. He remembers Lalita Sahasranama here also. Bala Tripura Sundari, Bala Leela Vinodini. In the Lalita Sahasranama it comes. And also in Bandaputra Vadodhyukta, Bala Vikrama Nandita. These are all here. He occurs to his mind Lalita Sahasranama also while composing Shivakriti. Here his Sahitya comes Bala Tripura Sundari. Next his stand Sri Vidya Modakaram Bhava Bhaya Haram. What a it ends with Bhava Bhaya Haram. If you propitiate Shiva with lot of devotion, you need not afraid for anything because Bhava Bhaya Haram. Shiva is very lenient in giving boons. That is why only he wants 100% devotion towards him. That is why Bala Tripura Sundari Shri Vidyasram. Pen name signature Jacham Ranjan Rodes Modakaram Bhava Bhaya Haram. Vadaya concludes with this Bhava Bhaya Haram, this Shiva Kriti. Now let me try to present this Vagadishwari Kriti. This is the 34th Medakarta Raga. Here the peculiarity is that this is called Vivadi Meda, where Sadharana Gandhara comes, there it comes Rishabha, Shatshruti Ripchava. That's the Vagadishwari Raga's speciality. I will try my level best to present in my own humble way. Let me, before starting the Kriti, let me play the scale of this raga. Observe. By scale only you cannot produce raga with the gamkas, and also you must listen lot of kritis and practice only this type of ragas can be. See, by merely playing scale raga won't come. That is every musician knows that. So this is the only scale. कला प्रतिपा this, for this session, this Vagadishwari, this is the 34th Mela of Jachamarajan's Vamadevam Babayam. This is the 35th session, rather, the 35th Kruti of Jachamarajan's. So far, with all humbleness, I have just a defeat of my Aradhya Devi Lalita Mahatripura Sundari I offered. And my viewers so far has given wonderful appreciation, very good encomiums. For all these things, I am very, 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 very thankful to you. So let me meet in one more session in the, that is, I will say that will be the 36th session. So I welcome to you in advance the 36th session of Jachamaraja Bhatt's composition. Thank you very much.